Welcome to week 28, assignment 3. It is a vocabulary week and we will be working on vocabulary. And this week we're going to be learning about the pixel and what a pixel is and some information about it. So the first thing you need to do is if you go to assignment 28, there is a link here that will take you to a 2-minute video that will explain what a pixel is. Then you can study for the vocabulary by going to this link. And it is basically the flashcards, concentration, and matching. There are no games this week. I didn't have a games set up for it. So you can study for it this way. And then once you have studied for it, then you can go to sorry about that. Then you can go to your vocab quiz, which is matching. Basically, you're going to match the word to the definition. You get 1 attempt. It is a quiz, just like a quiz in any other class. So you will take, and there's the words, here are the definitions, and you just click and drag them up. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know. And if not, I hope you are having a wonderful week, and I hope to see you soon.